when you diversify your investments, you have a little over here, a little over there. So if something over here is down, you got something over here up. You can protect your investments during these economic times, which we experienced before and will experience again, by diversifying your investments. Diversifying is a fancy way for saying not having all of your eggs in one basket. Oftentimes people will invest in something or one sector and they love it so much that that's all they do. One of the reasons why we like to diversify is because investment vehicles often have an inverse relationship. And that's a fancy way of saying when one investment sector is doing positively, then the other one may be doing negatively. And when another sector is doing negatively, then the other sector may be doing positively. And so what that means is when you diversify your investments, you have a little over here, a little over there. So if something over here is down, you got something over here up. If something over here is up and doing great, you're enjoying those times, and then you're also stacking and putting to the side so that when something goes down, you're in a space to be able to handle that change as well. You gotta have multiple pots on the stove. And this relates to your investments and to your income as well. I give this analogy. If you're cooking and you only have a pot of greens on the stove, only a pot of greens, you don't have a roast in the oven, you don't have no macaroni and cheese in the oven, you ain't got no green beans, no stuffing, no yams or nothing. You don't even have the Kool-Aid in the refrigerator. If the fire under that pot of greens goes out, you run the risk of starving. So I like to treat economic challenges and economic changes and downturns as an opportunity for you to reevaluate, reassess, and realign with your goals and where you're headed. Thank you. My name is Hyacinth Henderson. Hey, Hyacinth Henderson here, just popping in to remind you that any information shared is information and education and not personal investing advice. Personal investing advice should be specific to you, and therefore you should seek proper financial counsel for personal financial advice. Thank you.